everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up the August Birchbox, and here is what the actual box looks like this month. So every month we get a different box, and you can reuse these because they're always really cute. What does it say today? It says behind the scenes. So I guess that's like the theme this month. But it's very pretty, perfect for summer. It's got like some leaves and stuff on there. But if you do not know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. They recently raised their prices, I believe in June, but they've also at the same time increased the quality of their boxes. So it used to be $10 a month, but now for people that were already subscribed like me, I pay $13 a month, and if you're a new subscriber, it is $15 a month. I do have a code to save you some money, like a decent amount, so you can get your first 3 boxes, I think, for $9 each. So I will leave that down below. If you're interested, definitely take advantage of that deal. So yeah, so you get like sample size items, like 5 to 6 items. I think since they increased the price, we get 6 items per month now. And every once in a while you'll get a full size item, but not as often as like say like with the Ipsy bag. Yeah, I am super curious to see what I got this month. I do not know exactly. I think I know one item. So one of the features with Birchbox now is you can customize your box. So you can have it be a total surprise. That's always an option. You can pick one sample out of a few, or you can pick one of their curated boxes. Lately they've been having a few. I think there's 4 different curated boxes. They kind of sell out fast. So usually around like the 28th of the month, they email you and let you know customization's open. And you have about like 48 to 72 hours to pick what you want. And if you don't log in, then it'll just be a surprise. So sometimes I pick one of the curated boxes, so then I would know everything coming inside. This month I just chose one item, so the majority of this will be a surprise. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get unboxing and see what I received. And cute little cat just walked in. Hi baby Fiona. So when I take the lid off, this is what I see. So there's a card on top, and then everything else is wrapped up in tissue paper. So it says, old school summertime. Don't scratch the carpet. This month we're throwing it back to the carefree days of childhood with the summer fun fortune teller. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can fold this up. Do you guys remember these? That's so fun. I'll have to do that after this. So it says, cut off the bottom of this card and fold it up. Start with your favorite summer vacation locale and open it up and close it as you spell it out, and pick a number to reveal a throwback activity for summertime fun. Okay, after I read everything, I'm gonna try it and see if I can figure it out. But on the back side, that is so fun, by the way. The back of this, it lists all the things that come inside, and it also gives you the full size pricing. And on the bottom of the card it says, looking back and forward, to celebrate our 9th birthday, we brought back our most loved Birchbox designs, one of which you're holding. We're also celebrating you. Customer Appreciation Day is September 18th, and there'll be tons of surprises you simply cannot miss. Awesome, wow, 9 years. I've been with them over 6, maybe it's going on 7 now. Oh my gosh, Birchbox was my very first subscription box. But usually for Customer Appreciation Day, they have like amazing sales and giveaways and stuff, so I'll keep you posted on that. But let's get into what is inside. Try not to spill everything. So there's another card on here. It says, reason number 257 to love Birchbox. When you shop with us, you automatically get rewarded. Everyone earns 10% back on all full-size shop purchases, and Aces earn 13% back. Just for subscribers, get 100 extra points when you spend $50 or more. That is awesome. They always like have these great deals inside the boxes now. But let's move on. There's something I used to have and I don't anymore, and I really liked it. Oh my god, this is the Project Beauty Hair Gurt. This is a smoothing yogurt hair mask in strawberry banana. I think I actually had like the shampoo in this line, but I really liked it and it smelled really good, and I know this brand is cruelty free. So on the back it says, wondering when your hair got a mind of its own? Try this creamy rich treatment specifically formulated to help tame unruly, frizzy, dry hair and make friends with your hair again. So how to use, shampoo, rinse, and then you apply this from roots to end and leave it into your hair for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly and feel beautiful. And this is not full size, but this is definitely multi-use. So you get 44 mLs or 1.5 fluid ounces. I mean, unless you have like insanely long, thick hair, maybe it would be less than like several uses, but I think this will last me for a little while. This is awesome. And the full size of it is $12, which is affordable. It says, swap out your daily conditioner for this smoothing hair mask, which nourishes with a blend of yogurt, protein, and botanical oils. Let sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. Awesome, I'm so excited. It smells really good. I kind of want to sniff it. There is a safety seal, which is awesome, but I can smell it and it smells great, so yay. Next up is the Oribe Grandoise Hair Plumping Mousse. Grandoise, am I saying that wrong? I don't think I've tried this. I've tried other products by them, like I have their dry shampoo currently I'm trying to work through. The full size of this is $39, wow. It says, amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body. Work a golf ball sized dollop through damp hair, then scrunch. Interesting. I have such straight hair. I wonder how this will work for it. Has anyone with straight hair tried this before or tried mousse in general? Like, do us straight hair girls need mousse? Definitely give a girl some tips because I don't know. And we have another hair product. Wow, 3 hair products. That's kind of a lot for Beauty Box, but this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. My cat's acting up. They were sleeping all day now. I'm filming. They're like, let's wake up and be noisy. Don't go in the closet. I'm trying to open the closet door. They can't handle closed doors, like, at all. Like, if I close the door to go to the bathroom, nope, can't do this. But anyways, back to the product. The full size of this is $28. It says this multitasking styler does it all. Volumizes, adds softness, blocks UV rays, safeguards color, and protects from heat. Comb a nickel-sized amount through damp hair and blow dry. I've tried some stuff by them before. This is a good size, by the way. This will last me a long time because you only need a dime-size amount. 30 mLs, 1 fluid ounce. I wonder if I have tried this before. I've tried several Living Proof items, but I think it was like in a black packaging. But yeah, so this is a lot of hair products, but it's okay. I mean, I think I'll at least use these 2. You guys need to give me tips on mousse, so maybe I'll pass it on. I'm not sure. Next up we have the Kula SPF 30 Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. Ooh, this will be a good primer for days I'm out in the sun. SPF 30. I mean, let's get real. I don't spend too much time in the sun, but I'm supposed to go boating tomorrow. Oh, no! She was just like rubbing against the tripod. Sorry about that. So this is featuring a bouquet of iris, white lily, and honeysuckle plant stem cells. So I know Kula, they're like known for their SPF products. So now they have a primer. Let's read about this. So the full size is $42. This primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup application, and protects from harmful UV rays. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. I'm excited. Hopefully the sun behaves and comes out. So far today, no rain, but like in Florida in the summer, some days are just full of rain. Sometimes it only rains for an hour. You never really know. Every day it says it's gonna rain, but it doesn't actually rain every day. All right, let's move on to the next item. This is by Modelco. This is the Lip Plumper Hydra Lip Therapy. Ooh, that's what that looks like. Full size is $25. I wonder if this is full size, because it's pretty big for a lip product. It's like a normal size. And this says, get visibly fuller lips with this clear plumping gloss made with hyaluronic acid. Apply to lips whenever you need a natural looking boost, either alone or under a lipstick. So it says it's plumping gloss, so I wonder if it gives you that like tingly feeling, but it has hyaluronic acid. I was like trying to put hydro in there. What is wrong with me? Hyaluronic acid. I say that all the time. That is a hydrating chemical. I love it. So yeah, I need some food. It's like way past my eating time. It's almost 1. I usually eat at 12 for the first time of the day, so I'm just a little meh. But I was too excited. I had to open this box. So the last item, the 6th item in the box is by Purlisse. This is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, and this is the item I chose to be in here because I've used this sheet mask before and I really like it, and I think this would be considered a full-size item. So a full size, so I think it's like a pack of 5 or 6 is $18. And it says, watermelon hydrates, aloe vera reduces redness, and cucumber refreshes in this soothing sheet mask. Leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes for a quick perk up. It smells really good. I love this mask. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm really excited to get it. So overall, I think this was a good month. Let's just do a quick recap. I mean, it's kind of hair heavy. I'd prefer it to be more makeup heavy. It's more, yeah, there's one makeup item, I guess. It's a clear gloss, but okay, so we got the sheet mask, which I chose to be in there, so I'm happy about that. The Plumping Lip Gloss, I don't know if it's a gloss here. Let me swatch it, actually. There's some plastic, like, safety seal over it. Okay, nice. So it comes with like a lip balm type applicator. Let's see if I can feel it. So it's like a, yeah, definitely a gloss. And it's not completely clear. There's like a little bit of a color, but barely at all. And it smells minty, so I bet it does give you that tingly feeling. I have some lip products on now, so I don't want to put it on. I guess, hell, I'm about to eat, so I might as well, I guess. Do my lips look like they're getting plumper? So I can feel it, but it's not too intensely tingly. You know how sometimes that happens with plumping lip glosses? And I like their like minty, refreshing scent. So I'm happy about this. I'm glad I tried it out. So nice. You know I'm happy about this hair guard, the hair mask, super pumped. These two hair products, especially the plumping mousse. I mean, maybe it'll plump up my hair, I guess. Plump my lips and my hair, I don't know. Definitely need to look into mousse and straight hair. This like styling cream. I honestly probably won't get to it for a while because I have like so many hair products and I just use a teeny amount at a time, and now that I don't wash my hair and dry it every day, I'm really excited about this, the Kula, the SPF Primer. It's a good way to get SPF. I'm all about the SPF. It's so important. Wear your sunscreen. But yeah, so overall, pretty good box. There's several items I'm really excited about. Several I'm just like, meh, you know. But I do think I got my money's worth. So you guys have to let me know down below. Do you guys get Birchbox? What did you get this month? Are we twins? I don't know if you don't. I think it's kind of hard to get a twin box if you don't get the curated boxes, but let me know if you get it. Did we get some of the similar items? I'd love to know that. I have no idea how personalized it is. I think they do a pretty good job, but yeah, I'll stop rambling and let you guys go. Again, that discount code will be down below, or the link to save you some money if you're interested in getting a 3-month subscription. And I will also leave my giveaway links down below. I have 3 giveaways going on. Definitely enter if you have not yet already. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!